Pregnancy is changing our body. If you're dealing with a chest, low back pain, or neck stiffness, the posture is likely the reason. We're going to go through 3 easy fixes, starting from upper body, going to the chest, and then low back. We're going to start with the neck stretches. Put your palms together. We're going to gently press with fingers, looking upwards. Nose is looking all the way to the ceiling. And connect your palms together. Press gently down. Repeating a few times, you should feel nice stretch in front of the neck and the back of the neck. However, you shouldn't feel any pain, pinching sensation. Before we move to the chest, make sure your nose looking straight. Make sure your chin is not dropping. Once the head and neck fixed, we are focusing on the thoracic spine, your upper body. Rolling shoulders forward and backwards. Focus on the backwards more. Make bigger circles. Once done, we're going to connect our hands behind. Stay in this position. Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. You're going to do a few more, focusing on the rib cage expanding. Really feel your ribs expanding. And now we move into the most trickiest part. Imagine you're holding your hip bones between the fingers. We're going to tuck our tailbone forward and backwards. This is quite tricky. If it's too hard, you can use your knees as well to help the movement. We're trying to find a comfortable position. We're not sucking tummy in. Tummy is relaxed. It's really movement in a hip and tailbone. Find your middle position when tailbone is stuck and you feel comfortable. So this is your ideal pregnancy posture. It will be different compared to prenatal posture. Just let's make sure that our chest is still open. We're still looking upwards. So here you go. So that will help reduce chest pain, low back pain, and move you through your pregnancy on ease. See you in